playing with ChuChu. Hi, friends! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
Okay!
Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's an apple. Yay! Come on, let's draw the apple. Let's draw the body. Let's draw the stem. Let's draw a leaf. Let's draw another leaf. Let's draw some shine. Come on, now let's color the apple. Do you know how an apple tastes? An apple tastes sweet and crunchy.
Apple, apple, apple. Round and yummy apple. Red apple, green apple. Sweet and sour apple. Good for your heart, good for your lungs. An apple a day keeps you very young. Eat it raw or make it into a pie. Mom says you are the apple of her eye.
See you soon with new drawings. Bye-bye. Hi, friends. Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start. Let's open this egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a watermelon.
Yay!
Do you know where the watermelon grows? The watermelon grows on vines on the ground. Let's draw a watermelon. Let's draw the body. Let's draw the watermelon stem. Let's draw the stripes. Let's color the watermelon. It's a watermelon slice. Let's draw the outline of the slice. Let's draw the seeds. Let's color the watermelon slice. Do you know how the watermelon tastes? The watermelon tastes sweet, refreshing, and juicy.